Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw a cassowary. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cassowary, we're going to begin with the eye. So we're going to start right up here, and we're just going to make a small circle shape for the eye. And inside of it, we're going to make a little black dot. Starting here, we'll draw a little line that goes above and below it. And then we'll make another little line right above it and below it. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. It's going to curve back and then come down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. And to make the beak, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down to a point, and then it's going to come back here. Then we're going to go up and continue it back here a little bit. And then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve up here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw that kind of like big plate that they have on their head. So we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down, and then connect to here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go around, and then come down to here. They'll make a little line that's going to go down, and then come down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line out a little bit farther, and then I'm going to bring it down here. And then starting here, we're going to add a couple little curved lines. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. And as I curve it down, I'm going to add a couple of these little kind of pointy lines on here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and I'm going to add a couple more of these kind of pointy little zigzag lines that go up, and then they're going to come down, and then back up here for kind of like the tail. Then I'm going to make kind of some more zigzag lines that come down here. Then I'm going to make one that goes down, it's going to go over and then up to kind of show where that one leg is going to be. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down on each side. I'm going to make a couple little quick curvy lines in there. Then we're going to make a long line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. They've got some pretty big, powerful feet. Then I'm going to draw another line that's going to go down a little bit longer, then it's going to come back. And then one's going to go down, it's going to go up and then connect to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to zigzag across and then come up. And then this time we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come out here and down. Make a little line that's going to go down, and it's just going to follow that same pattern. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down to a point and come back. Another one a little bit longer, and then comes back. And then one that's going to be a little bit smaller, and it's going to come up to here. Now, over here we want to add kind of like a little bit of like a gobble, kind of like of what a turkey has that hangs down. So I'm just going to start right here. We're just going to draw a little line that's going to come down. It's going to go up to here, and we'll add another little line over here. Then I like to come through, and I'm just going to add some little lines, different sizes over here, just to add a little bit of texture and everything onto our cassowary. Now on the legs here, we're just going to make a long broken line here, and then a long broken line here. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines for the claws, because they have some pretty big claws that they use to defend themselves with. And might add a couple more little lines or two kind of coming across here. Then up here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes up and then in. We'll add a little black dot down here for the nose, and then just a couple little lines on here for some details on the face. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cassowary. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.